Hello everyone, welcome back to the third video of halogen derivatives. We will study the methods of preparation of alkyl halides in this video. Let us first discuss how to prepare alkyl halides from alcohols. Different reagents can be used to convert alcohols to alkyl halides. Firstly, let us take up halogen acid or hydrogen halide HX. In this reaction, OH group of alcohol is substituted by halogen atom. So, alcohol is converted to haloalkane. The conditions of the reaction depend upon the halogen atom and the type of alcohol. So, let us first consider preparation of alkyl chlorides using hydrogen chloride. A primary alcohol is heated with a mixture of hydrogen chloride and anhydrous zinc chloride. The mixture of concentrated HCl and anhydrous ZnCl2 is called Lucas reagent. Anhydrous ZnCl2 acts as a catalyst. This process is known as Gruve's process. For example, ethanol is converted to chloroethane in this process. A secondary alcohol can be treated with Lucas reagent at room temperature to obtain a secondary alkyl chloride. It is not necessary to heat the reaction mixture. A tertiary alcohol can be reacted directly with concentrated hydrochloric acid. Catalyst as well as high temperature is not required in case of a tertiary alcohol. The severity of the reaction conditions decreases from primary to tertiary alcohols. This is because of increase in the reactivity of alcohols from primary to tertiary alcohols. The reactivity order of alcohols is as follows. Now let us see the conditions for the preparation of alkyl bromides using hydrobromic acid. Concentrated sulfuric acid and sodium bromide react together to produce HBr in the reaction vessel. This HBr is generated in situ. In situ means in the reaction mixture. Constant boiling hydrobromic acid 48% can also be used for preparing alkyl bromides. Now using HI for alkyl iodides. Good yield of alkyl iodides may be obtained by heating alcohols with sodium or potassium iodide in 95% phosphoric acid. Again here HI is generated in situ, that is in the reaction mixture. Order of reactivity of halogen acids on alcohols is hydroiodic acid greater than hydrobromic acid greater than hydrochloric acid. You know that as we move down the group, atomic size increases from chlorine to iodine. As atomic size increases, bond length also increases. As bond length increases, bond strength decreases. Thus, HI bond is the weakest and HCl bond is the strongest. Hence, HI bond breaks faster and hence it is more reactive as compared to HBr, which is more reactive as compared to HCl. Phosphorus halides can also be treated with alcohols to obtain alkyl halides. Phosphorus trichloride can be used directly to react with alcohol. Phosphorus acid H3PO3 is formed as the side product. When phosphorus pentachloride is used, POCl3, that is phosphorus oxychloride, is formed as the side product. Phosphorus tribromide and phosphorus triiodide are usually generated in cyther by the action of red phosphorus on bromine and iodine respectively. Similar reaction can be written for iodoalkane. Third reagent is thionyl chloride. Thionyl chloride has the formula SOCl2. Thio means sulfur. Thionyl chloride reacts with straight chain primary alcohols to give unrearranged alkyl chloride. The byproducts HCl and SO2 are gases, so they escape to the surroundings, leaving behind chloroalkane in the reaction vessel. Thus, alkyl chlorides are obtained in the pure form. No extra efforts are required for separation. Therefore, this is the best method for the preparation of alkyl chlorides. Another way of preparing alkyl halides is from hydrocarbons. Alkyl halides can be obtained by addition of hydrogen halide HX to alkenes. Addition of hydrogen halides HX like hydrogen chloride, hydrogen bromide and hydrogen iodide converts alkene into corresponding alkyl halides. There is addition of hydrogen and halogen across the double bond, hence it is called as hydrohalogenation. The order of reactivity of hydrogen halides is Hi greater than HBr greater than HCl. Let us first consider addition of HX to symmetrical alkenes. For example, ethene. Symmetrical alkenes have identical groups or atoms attached to doubly bonded carbon atoms. Since both the carbon atoms are equivalent in ethene, addition of hydrogen to any one carbon and bromine to other gives only a single product. Let us now consider addition of HX to unsymmetrical alkenes. Addition of HX to unsymmetrical alkenes yield two isomeric products. Let us see how. Propene is an unsymmetrical alkene. The two doubly bonded carbon atoms are not equivalent. One is a primary carbon atom, whereas the central carbon is a secondary carbon atom. If hydrogen atom is attached to secondary carbon atom and bromine to the first, then 1-bromopropane is obtained as the product. But if hydrogen atom is attached to primary carbon atom and bromine to the secondary, then 2-bromopropane is obtained as the product. 1-bromopropane and 2-bromopropane are isomers of each other. Can you tell me what is the type of isomerism? They are position isomers, as there is a difference in the position of bromine atom on the carbon chain. Out of these two isomers, one is formed as the major product and the other is minor product. We can determine major and minor product on the basis of Markovnikov's rule. When an unsymmetrical reagent is added to unsymmetrical alkene, the negative part, here it is halogen atom of the reagent, gets attached to the carbon atom which carries less number of hydrogen atoms. So, according to Markovnikov's rule, the major product is the one in which bromine is attached to the carbon which carries lesser number of hydrogen atoms. Anti-Markovnikov's addition or peroxide effect or Kharash-Mayo effect. In 1933, two scientists, Kharash and Mayo, discovered that the addition of HBr to unsymmetrical alkene in the presence of organic peroxides, that is R-O-OR, takes place in the opposite orientation to that suggested by Markovnikov's rule. For example, when HBr reacts with propene in presence of peroxides, 1-bromopropane is obtained as the major product. Peroxides may be added to very small quantities or they may be present as an impurity. Peroxides are the compounds which contain peroxide linkage, that is -O-O-. The structure of benzoyl peroxide can be shown like this. Anti-Markovnikov's addition is observed only in case of HBr. The third method, halogen exchange, is used for the preparation of alkyl iodides and alkyl fluorides. Alkyl iodides are prepared conveniently by treating alkyl chlorides or bromides with sodium iodide in presence of methanol or acetone solution. The sodium bromide or sodium chloride precipitates from the solution and can be separated by filtration. The reaction is known as Finkelstein reaction. Alkyl fluorides are prepared by heating alkyl chlorides or bromides with silver fluoride. Other metal fluorides can also be used in the reaction. The reaction is known as Schwarz reaction. We have only 3 methods of preparation of alkyl halides. While studying these reactions, write the general reaction first and then write one example along with the names of the reactants and products. We will study nature of carbon-halogen bond and physical properties in the next video. Thank you for watching the video.